Hey everyone, it's Kat and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm over 50 and I love makeup and skincare, but today we are going to do something kind of fun, kind of different. I'm going to show you some yoga stretches that will actually help you relax given the current state of affairs, what's going on these days. I know I've been feeling super stressed out and I hope you guys are well and healthy, but I find going back to yoga really puts me back into focus. We carry a lot of tension in our necks and our lower backs, and I thought I could share some simple, very basic yoga positions that could actually relieve that tension. Some of the benefits of yoga are increased flexibility, muscle tone, helps with your breathing, and it's just a good way to kind of go inward and calm your soul. At least that's what it does for me. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Well, I have no idea how this is going to turn out because usually I sit in front of a mirror and I apply on makeup or skincare, so I'm super excited just to share a few stretches. You don't need a huge space. You need maybe about 10 to 15 minutes of alone time. It's super important that you do this in a quiet environment. I usually do yoga in my living room. We have such beautiful natural light in here, and I have a yoga mat. Now, a yoga mat is super inexpensive, and if you don't have one, it's okay. You can do it on your carpeting. But yeah, I'll show you my yoga mat. I actually saw these on sale at TJ Maxx before we went into quarantine for about $7.99, and I'm sure you can order one off their website or any website. You can get one off of Amazon, but they're super inexpensive, but it just helps keep the traction with your feet. But yeah, let's go do some yoga. Okay. So set your intention and just clear your mind and breathe. Exhale. Clearing your mind, calming your soul, keeping your focus, drawing inward. Big breath and bring it in. Big breath and exhale. One of my favorite stretches of all time is probably the cat-cow. I know, wait, cat-cow? But it's very simple. All you were doing is you're gonna get on your knees and your hands are straight out like so. And you're gonna arch your back like a cat. And really feel your lower spine, like so. And then exhale, and looking up. And again. To your cow. Now you're gonna take your toes and flex them. And then you're gonna push back using your upper body and stretch back your knees all the way back, and then walk it out and feel that stretch in your hamstrings and shoulders. And if you want, you can go to a plank and hold, engaging your core and then push back
into downward dog. Let's walk it out. This feels so good on my calves. And stretch. Now let's just walk up to our hands and hang. And rolling through each vertebrae.
One of my all-time favorite stretches for my lower back, especially if I'm sitting at a desk all day, is called child's pose. And it's exactly that. You're gonna sit on your knees like this, and then you're gonna reach up towards the sky, inhale, and then you reach forward on the mat.
And lay your head down. And you can really feel this stretch. And then walk back up.
That is a fabulous stretch for your lower back and also your upper shoulders. You really want to feel heavy when you do that stretch, but I feel it really helps loosen up some of my old joints back there. But yeah, so those are just some basic yoga stretches that actually help me, particularly when I sit for a really long time. And I love doing it in the morning. It wakes up my body. They do recommend that you do yoga on an empty stomach. I mean, it's like doing any other type of physical activity because it is physical activity. You are controlling your breathing, you're inhaling, you're exhaling, and you just basically want to reach that goal of just finding that inner peace. So I know this is kind of different. I wanted you guys to find ways to just relax and stretch, find your intention for the day. I know it's very chaotic right now, and all you can do is take one day at a time and be positive, and you'll feel that positivity once your body feels relaxed. This has been actually great for me because I'm pretty relaxed right now. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this type of video. Leave a comment down below if you enjoy yoga. And some of these stretches I know look a little advanced, especially the downward dog. Just be careful when you try these exercises. I mean, this just sitting here and just relaxing with your spine straight and engaging your core and just relaxing and just setting a good intention for the day. But for now, namaste, and I'll see you in my next one.